In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid rogues, forms, bundled coins, and in general, how to be safer when you trade meme coins. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the first example. This is the most obvious rug. You guys should not be buying into these charts. You can see a lot of dev buys, no volume, a chart that spawns super high and only goes up. No red candles, just up with no volume. Also, if you scroll down, you see a lot of insiders with low balance. This is super bundled, super scammy. This is gonna go down with one straight red candle. You guys should never buy into this chart. Okay, so this is the second example. As you can see on the second pump, this chart looks super scammy. But even if it didn't, I'm gonna show you how to check for bundles on any coin. So this is how you do it. You basically go scroll down into the holders list, go through the holders, look at the percentage they hold, look at how much they bought. Basically, you just need to look at similarities in distribution. You need to find similarities. So basically, you can look at what they bought with. For example, this guy bought with Bullocks, this guy bought with Trojan. You can look at their soul balance, how much they're holding. If you see similarities, it's most likely bundled. So okay, here you see Trojan, 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 Trojan. They all hold around the same percentage with low soul balance. This is a bundled coin. You can also open every single one of them. He bought 1.9 soul. He bought 1.9 soul as well. He bought the same amount almost. He bought the same amount, and almost the same amount. So that's how you check for bundles. Basically, you just look for similarities in distribution. And yeah, I'm gonna move to the next example. So the next thing I want to talk about is how to check Twitter reuse, how to use tools, how to check if a Twitter account has posted CAs previously already. So basically, this is an I think AI coin. This is a random coin I just found. Basically, I just opened the Twitter, open my Discord, go into bot commands on any server. A lot of servers have this. Basically, I type in /scam to check if they have posted CAs previously and deleted it. Then I check. Okay, so they have not posted any CAs previously. The next thing I'm gonna do is check Twitter reuse. So as you can see, it shows me that they have reused the Twitter a lot of times, over 10 times in the past month. So basically, they use the same Twitter to make new coins and drug them. And yeah, that's how you check. That's how you use tools. That's how you check if Twitter has been reused in a project. And I'm gonna move to the next example, which is reused live streams. I took this from my friend Tuck. But basically, if you see a live stream coin, you should always search it up and check if it has been done multiple times, because sometimes they are farming the same live stream over and over again. So this is an old example. I'm still gonna show it. For example, a couple months ago, there was a old guy live streaming multiple times. He was making new coins over and over again with the same guy, same stream, always the same thing, and then just farming the chart. You guys should always, on live stream coins, you guys should always search up and look if it has been done already multiple times. The same guy has been doing this for a long time. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys learned how to avoid drugs. It's pretty easy. You just need to be aware. Everyone's gonna get drugged multiple times when they start, but like, you need to learn from your mistakes, basically. I think you need to get rocked a couple times when you start to learn it, but it's super easy to avoid the most obvious rocks. And yeah, that was the video. Make sure to check out the links in the description of this video. You can find all my socials and an access code to the best trading bot, Nova, in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.